So the disease we're working on is Lee syndrome, which is a rare mitochondrial disease affecting children. And in particular, we're working from forms of this disease that is caused by mutation in the mitochondrial genome. And that's why it's also called mitochondrial inherited Lee syndrome MILS. And that's why our project is called CureMILS, because we hope to find treatments. And in terms of treatments, we are looking for drugs that can be repositioned. So we are using a library. We are doing screening of repurposable drugs using neuronal cells that we generated from induced pluripotent stem cells that we derive directly from patients. So we use these neural cells to carry out the screening. And in particular, we have one drug that now has been, through the funding from EJP, we obtained orphan drug designation from EMA, and so this is our drug that we are now studying in more detail. This is a very rare disease, so it's very difficult to find patients. So it's very that for this reason, international collaboration are essential, but also for expertise, because we have to have so many different expertise between patient treatments, but also compound screening, mitochondrial profiling, induced pluripotent stem cell generation. All these expertise are very different, and so it's needed to have a big consortium to be able to have all these different expertises. Like I mentioned before, one main result is that we were able to carry out a large compound screening in iPS cell-derived neural cells from patients with mitochondrial inherited Lee syndrome, and then one of these drug we were able to get approved as an orphan drug for Lee syndrome that from the EMA. So we are hopeful that with this drug we could in the future develop a clinical trial to test in more detail safety and efficacy in the patient population. Yes, so we have the IP, and we also of this repurposable drug, and we also have the orphan drug designation. And the next step is to run a larger clinical trial. So far, we only had the off-label compassionate use of 5 different patients. And so to run this trial, the critical step is really to find support, financial support. So we were able now to have a new consortium starting, funded by Horizon 2020, called Sympatic. And with this, we hope that we will be able to develop this clinical trial for Lee syndrome.